Alright, so I'm going to be showing you today how to make a shield using the masking tool and how to find a transparent one so that you can change the colors of the background. So just a nice and easy little tutorial. You get two things for the shot of one. So here we go. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a fleur-de-lis pattern, and I want it to be transparent in the background, just our standard Google search. Okay, once I found one that I like that is transparent, okay, I'm just going to go with this plain black one because it's quick and easy. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go over to my slide, I'm going to paste it on it, and it's just going to be a plain old square, and that's not much of a shield, right? That's just kind of a pattern. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to this little cropping image, and on the right I'm going to click mask. And then I go over to where the rounded rectangle is, click on that, grab my little yellow adjusters here, adjust out to be flat up top, and then down the bottom I can make it curved, and I'm going to go as curvy as possible. Okay. And there you go, you have that right there, right? So that's pretty easy, and I'm going to go ahead and add a border around it, a nice thick border, that way it's kind of clean looking. Okay, so we have our shield with our fleur-de-lis, and it's transparent right now, and we want to make it a color. So all we need to do from here is we can come up to the shapes, draw a new shape. If you want, you could draw it over it. Doesn't really matter. We're gonna line up our stuff. Good. Square, back to our circle. Okay. And then all you need to do is select the color that you want it to be. And you can play around with the faders and stuff too if you want. Let's go with red. Let's see what that looks like on there. Okay, sorry. Getting sidetracked. I'm going to right click it. I'm going to send the order to the back, but what I do is I hit Control, and then I use the shortcut for that because it's quicker sometimes. Okay, so Control, Shift, and down, but you can also do it this way. And there you go. Okay. So you have a nice little design, it's all nicely done, and you can put some more information and stuff like that on the top of it. Just make sure you do one more thing before you move to add stuff, and that's you select both of those and you group them together. That way there's nowhere for them to go, and if I move it around, it's all there and it's all one. There you go, pretty simple. Have a great day everybody, and don't forget to learn something. I'll see you in class.